Now I want to consider WebAssign. Now, to get started with WebAssign, there's a link to show you how WebAssign is linked to your Blackboard account. And the neat thing about this is that once this is set up, you will be able to, your scores in WebAssign will be transported automatically over to Blackboard, and so all of your scores will be in Blackboard as well. You click the WebAssign icon, and from there it's going to take you to the student section. You'll be able to see your course. It's going to list the assignments. Your view will look somewhat like this. Unfortunately, this is before the course has started, so it's not showing the student view in terms of the assignments, but I'm going to go back to the instructor view. But your view will look like this, and up top you have your assignments, your grades that you can find out your score, communication. You want to send an email or something to me. And the neat thing is, while you're working on problems, you can email me. Please click on that button, ask your instructor. That is very valuable and easy for me to respond to you. Okay. And so the assignments are listed. And if I open this assignment, they all are typical. Well, you won't have the solutions like mine, right? Let me just take that off. But you'll be able to go in, do your assignments. There will be some buttons, some tabs on the right side of each problem, and then there will be some tabs on the bottom of the problem to show things like you can read about it, this problem, and to take you back to the textbook. You can also, some of the tabs may have a video that corresponds with it. Hopefully that would be the case for those difficult problems. If not, just email me, ask me, and I'll help you. I have no problem, and I look forward to assisting you. Let's see. Okay. And then the same thing for the exams. Notice that there are homework assignments, quiz. The quiz and the exams look very similar, so do the quiz. You have 2 attempts on the quizzes, and then after that you should be ready for the exam. The exams are listed as those who are taking the exams at home or those who are taking the exams in the testing center. Now let me say this is important, because people will email me and you'll worry the Mary Poppins out of me. And that is this, that the way I had to set this up to distinguish between those who are taking the test at home and the students who are taking the test in the testing center, it's the same test. But the testing center exam has a password that the proctors in the testing center has. And then the test at home, they have passwords that I give you in the syllabus that you would use. Now when you get your grade, it's going to show another grade for the other tests, and it's going to show like a 0. And then you'll freak out and you'll email me and call me and just worry the gazooble out of me. After the deadline date, which is not right after you took your test, because you took your test probably on a Friday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, or Sunday. The Monday following after the deadline date of the exam, I will go in, and I have to go in manually and drop one of those scores. So the score that would be dropped would be the 0, the test that you didn't take. And so just wait until I do that, and then everything will be fine, because if not, your grade average will not be right. It will be skewed, but that's the reason, okay? And I'm sure somebody's probably not watching this information right here, and then they'll be getting in contact with me, and then I'll be biting my teeth like I always do. But anyway, that's that. Now there's an ebook that you can click on, and it just shows the content of the textbook. So that's why the textbook is optional, because once you purchase the access code for WebAssign, you get the book content as well. So no matter wherever you are, you can look at the book content from any device, and it has every page from the textbook. There's a new feature in WebAssign called Class Insights. Please use that. That's really valuable. What it's going to do is, as you go along, it's going to gauge and monitor your progress and give you some hints in terms of how to go back and try to improve on your score or your grade. And I will look at the class insights as well, and if I see something like a red flag, I will try to get in contact with you. I will try to. I have so much to do. But if you see something, by all means, talk with me, email or call, and we can rant about it. Now, that's WebAssign. I wanted to, John P. Key, email. I wanted to show you when you're taking the test. Go back and find that class. When you're taking the test and you go to take a test at home, you're going to click on Tegrity Classes, and then from there you're going to click on, now over here hopefully there will be some assignments listed, and I will try to populate those. If not, it's okay, because if you go back in the Blackboard and you scroll down under my crazy looking picture, all of the lectures will be there. But to take a test, start a test, read this information about academic integrity, that you will not cheat, right? Amen. Click accept. Sometimes your computer may not be congenial here, and if that's the case, it's not reading my little video cam because I'm recording at this time with another system, so that's why my image didn't come up, but you can see me. And so if Tegrity is not installed on your computer, then you want to just download the Tegrity Recorder installation. That's most important. And so hopefully we won't have any glitches. You need to run a demo of this. Just do what I'm doing for the integrity testing, and just seem that you're taking a test. Basically, you're going to go to the Integrity Classes, click on Take a Test, click on the button, show your ID, pan your cam recorder around the room so that I can see that it's you're not cheating, and it should take no more than about maybe 10 seconds, and then you upload that and just let me know, and I'll go through and check it to make sure that that everything's working fine. Here's the thing: if it works, it's going to work and you'll know it. If it doesn't work, then you get in contact with me and say, hey, I think I have an issue. And sometimes the issues that I've seen is that people who have Macs, sorry about that, Mac computers, we have some issues with that. And then also we have issues with certain Wi-Fi connections. If you have a hardline Ethernet connection, that's the best. And then we had issues with laptops. So I don't know why. These computers and all this technology, it makes us weaker, right? So I think that's about it. I hope I've covered everything that I'm supposed to cover. Okay? You take care. God bless you.